how to change messages notification sound on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now, on the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Next, tap on Messages. Then in here, tap on Notifications. Now scroll down and tap on Sounds. From the list of sounds in here, you can select a tone. Tap on Classic will expand out more, and this will give you more options. Now from the list here, you can see you can only select a pre-built sound, built-in sound. You cannot actually choose your own custom sound. To do that, you will need to follow a different process, which is a little bit more involved, and I will show you how to do that in a different video. For now, you can choose one of the available sound from the list shown here. And that's it. So after that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.